Hey folks, see Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to yet another Thursday live stream. I know I'm a little bit late. Was doing live stream for my Marathi channel, and Marathi audiences had a few questions today, so I was just answering them one by one. Let me quickly welcome all the new members: Umesh, Roshan, Deepak, Manoj, uh, Akshay, and Neeraj. Welcome to memberships. Okay, first and foremost, let me tell you that today we are going to talk about two things. One, Nifty levels as usual. And second, what we are going to do today is that we'll just try and gauge that right now the market is again down by almost 11-12%, whatever. We'll check exactly. But what I get to hear from a lot of people, I do interact with a lot of people, and what I get to know is that there are a lot of people whose portfolio is down by more than 12% from its high, which they had witnessed. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'll just quickly switch and go to my YouTube live streaming as well. Just hold on for a second. I'm just streaming this through a software, but if I were to ask a poll, I need special access. Just give me a second. Okay, stop talk. What we will do is, okay, sure. So first, let me ask a question. Okay, I'm creating a poll. The question that I want to ask you all is your portfolio down by more than 12%? Yes, no. Okay, I've started the poll. I hope everyone will be able to see this. I'm asking a basic question. Market is down by a shade more than 12%. My question to you is that, is your portfolio down by over 12%? Okay. Now, why am I asking this? I'll tell you. Markets falling by 12% is not a big pain. When you see that your portfolio is performing bad, it's not performing, I mean, it is down by more than what Nifty is down by. People start doubting themselves. Voice is not audible. In fact, I've used a separate mic today. I got to I got some feedbacks that my mic is, I mean, the audio quality is not that great, and that is the reason why. Oh, it has switched back to Logitech. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Arey yaar. One. Arey. In my Marathi live stream, this one was working, and achanak se it has stopped working. But if I get out of this streaming software and then try to switch. Okay, I think I'll have to speak loudly. Sorry for that. I mean, the Marathi one was pretty good, I guess, with this microphone. But now I don't think I can switch out during the. Achha, very much audible, right? No issues with the audio. Okay, perfect. So then let me get back to our poll. 411 votes. Okay, let me then stop and check. And now you'll get to see the results. Is your portfolio down by more than 12%? And answer, it's like a 2:1 ratio. Two people with more than 12% downfall, one person with less than 12% downfall. Okay. Fantastic. Okay. So now, what is the big issue? I'll tell you. What we are going to do right now today is that, first, of course, as I mentioned, we will be discussing about the Nifty levels. No second thoughts on that. But what we are going to do is that today I want to understand a little bit more on which stock in your portfolio is the worst performer, and you believe that it is a fundamentally strong stock. I'm repeating the question, okay? Because this will help me to solve for your pain points. What I can do is I can prepare more videos around the stocks which are in your portfolio and which are bleeding like anything, okay? So I would want to ask questions from you all. Which stock, according to you, is fundamentally strong, is in your portfolio, and has corrected quite a bit? I'm going to take the answers for that. Have I already started getting the answers? Okay. ठीक है. IREDA. So I'm going to quickly write down those stocks, at least those which I have studied someday or the other, and which even I believe are fundamentally not bad at all, but still are pretty much down. Okay. IREDA I've already written, Tata Tech I've written, Geo Finance I've written, Reliance and TCS. Okay. Reliance Industries Limited, TCS. Okay. Kalyan Jewelers. Okay. It has recently fallen quite a bit. Kalyan Jewelers. Then Tanla Platforms. Okay. HAL. Bajaj Housing Finance. Okay. MRF I've written. Geo Finance I've written. KPIT, MapMy India, and HAL. KPIT, MapMy. HAL I've already written. Trent. Okay. MRF Tata Motors I've already written. Geo I've written. PNG. Okay. IPO allotment. Huh? Nika. Wari Energy. Okay. Tata Tech I've already written. Have I? Yes, I have. Reliance TCS I've already written. REC I've written. Tata Motors I've written. Zomato I've written. HAL I've written. IREDA I've written. BFC I've written. Bajaj Housing I just wrote, right? Bajaj Housing I've written. Suzlon I've written. Nika. It's not a fundamentally strong stock. Tata Motors. Okay. Exide. Okay. SJVN. Trent I just wrote. Bajaj Finance. Asian Paints I've written. Hero Motocorp. Okay. Hero Moto, Suzlon, MapMy, I have written that. Bajaj Housing, I've written. Adani. Nifty Bees. PNG, okay. Adani Power, HAL, I've written. Trend, okay. Nika, HUL. Concor, did I write? No, I did not. Concor. RVNL, I think I've written. Yes, I have. Triveni. Triveni, I did not write, na? Triveni Turbines. Okay. RECPFC I've written, Suzlon I've written, KPIT, ITC, okay. HDFC Bank. Okay. Angel One, Motilal Oswal. IRFC. Okay. And NHPC. Okay. Axis, Zomato, Titagar. Okay. Okay. PF, VBL. Okay. So the last four, after which I'll hit 50 now. Nestle and CAMS. Are they really down so much? CAMS especially? Nestle, CAMS. CDSL. Okay. Asian Paints have written. Shram Finance have written. VBL have written. Motilal also I have written. Swiggy. Okay. And the last one, Industars I have written. Axis Bank I have not written. Okay. I think I should take Axis Bank last. Oh God, so many people are writing so many names. Okay, I think Axis Bank I'm going to take the last one. Sula is also one stock. Okay. CDSL I've written, Baba. Okay, I'm going to write Axis and Sula Wines also. Okay. बाप रे कितने stocks लेचे. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, what I want you all to do as a homework also, okay, is that fundamentally, ideally, you should be checking their quarterly results and see whether revenue, operating profit, and PBT. What is how are they performing? One more time, all three levels: revenue, operating profit, PBT. Whether they are good, they are bad, QOQ, YOY. Try seeing both. And also, very important point. Try also see based on technical analysis, where is the stock right now? Is it at a support level? How much is it? Has it corrected from the all-time high? So, for example, if it has rallied quite a bit, then ideally, what? So, if you have done my course on price action analysis, I've very clearly mentioned in the course of price action analysis that if the stock has corrected by up to 30 to 35%, I'm repeating a very important point. This is there in my price action analysis course also. That if a stock has corrected up to 30 to 35% after seeing a good run up, okay, in such a case, you should not be so much worried. It's okay, happens. So what we are going to do right now is that for some stocks in my Marathi live stream, whichever stocks were common, I've already written down how much percentage is it down. So we will check that, and we will also discuss which stocks I had not checked in my Marathi live stream. So both we are going to check. Okay. So oh wow, kya baat hai? Okay, Jayendra Singh has sent a cute, not a cute, ghabarlela smiley. It's like, okay, that is how the smiley goes. Like, okay, is the smiley sent by Jayendra? Jayendra, it's your third super on a live stream. Kya baat hai? Fantastic. That's what YouTube tells me. This is your third super sticker that you have sent me. Thank you for that, Jayendra. All right. So right now you can just see something like this, that he has sent a super sticker, but I can't. I mean, that's not visible on the streaming software, right? Okay. So, chalo, what we are going to do is that I'll quickly tell you those stocks which were discussed during the Marathi live stream. Last time I'm repeating, if there is a correction of 30 to 35%, okay, not a big deal. Okay. Chalo. Asian Paints has corrected 33% from the all-time high. Geo Finance has corrected 35%. HL 31%. PFC 27%. Zomato 27%. Tata Motors 35-36%. Ireda 37%. DMart 39%, a bit more. SBI 18%. Suzlon a bit more, 37%. Texmaco Rail was asked by Marathi audiences, 36%. Indus Towers 20%. Coal India 29%. Tata Tech 43%. Something bad again. RVNL 35%. REC 29%. Dixon Tech only 19%. Shriram Finance 27%. MRF 26%. This is where we had stopped discussing at our live stream during Marathi live stream. Okay. So what we will do is whatever stocks you have told me. So I want an answer from you all before I quickly check all these stocks. Up to what percentage? I just discussed this right now. I want you all to tell me the answer one more time. Up to what percentage fall is okay? You should not be very much worried if you believe that the stock is fundamentally strong. If it has reached like, if it is down by more than that percent, there is a possibility that something fundamentally might have changed there. Something pretty bad. I mean, you have to check what's wrong with it. Okay. Up to 30 to 35%, you should be fine. Okay. Chalo, fantastic. I'm getting a lot of answers. 30 to 35, same here. Okay, 30, 35. Good. Okay. Fantastic. Many people have given correct answers. Okay. So what we are going to check, whatever stocks you had told me, let us quickly check them randomly in the next 3-4 minutes. जितने भी हो जाएंगे next 3-4 minutes फटाफट full speed we are going to check. Okay. RIL, Reliance Industries. पूरा टाइप करना पड़ेगा. Reliance Industries. Okay. Down by 21%. Okay. So I'm also going to simultaneously note it down. RIL 21%. TCS, not much. 9%, only 9%. Wow. Kalyan Jewelers. This month itself it is down by almost 39%. Tanla. Tanla is also down pretty much. क्या मैं ये सही देख रही हूँ? From 2100 to 619? I hadn't tracked this stock, to be honest, for a long time. This is where I've done some sort of analysis. This is the, oh God, it's like the previous high. If I were to extend this, 433 is the long-term support. Oof. And this is the next short-term support for it. 500, also mentally a strong figure. Oof. Marat bhiti vatli. Tanla is down 70%. HAL. This should also be down more than 35 is what I feel. Cut to cut. 30, not bad. After such a huge run up, 30%, not bad at all. Bajaj Housing Finance. Are. 41% down. Not happy. KPIT. KPIT Tech. Not bad. 29.6. I'll round it up to 30% and map my. Still 38.5. Trend. काहीच नाही पडला. Oh, looks small, but it is 30. But still, na, within our limit, 30.5%. PNG. PN Gadgi Jewelers. Are. From month 1 of listing, only red candles. Still 30.8%. People, are you understanding this? We started checking Reliance from Reliance 21%, TCS only 9%, Kalyan Jewelers 39%, Tanla 70%, HL 30%, KPIT 30%, MapMy 38.5%, Trend 30%, PNG 30%. So you are getting my point, 30 to 35%. Okay, Worry Energies. This week is crazy. Still 37, okay? 37%. Excite. Just 38. And you can see here, this is the long-term trend line, 38%. Bajaj Finance. Price nahi. I'll just remove the drawings so that it becomes clear. Why are you even scared if you have Bajaj Finance? Like 7% down. You should not have even mentioned about this. SJVN. This is down by a bit more, 42.5%. Chalo, last few. Hero Moto. So I hope you are understanding how to check. See, 34%. Are you getting my point? Huh? If so, what you need to do ideally, so I'll stop checking this, okay? I just wanted to make a point that if you have certain stocks, first things first, ideally what you should do is check, has your stock corrected by 30 to 35%. So for those who joined in late, okay, one more time. Step number one, check whether your stock has corrected up to 30 to 35% after a good rally. If yes, don't be, I mean, don't panic a lot. It's okay, 30 to 35% can be looked at a healthy correction. I mentioned this in my price action analysis course, okay. But if it's way higher than that, there is a chance that something is wrong fundamentally. So for example, what I could see in, I mean, Kalyan Jewelers, just 1% and 39% gone. Then in such cases, we should check what is up with this. I just want, I mean, see, if I were to make a video on, see, I have a list of 50 stocks right now. Okay, I can't make videos on 50 stocks, but if I were to just select top three right now out of all these, okay, let me see which gets maximum votes. I'm just writing here the name of the stock, okay, and you have to just give me a poll whether it is there in your portfolio or not. If I get highest votes, so I'm going to ask five random, which I feel might be there in your portfolio. Uh, I will definitely make it a point to give you an update according to me, fundamental analysis wise, technical analysis wise, what is wrong with that stock. Okay, uh, we will try and check. So I just would request quick answers so that I will get to know, is it there in your portfolio? Because see, now here our channel members are deciding whether this stock is going to be discussed on our channel or not. Kya baat hai? If you are still not a member of our channel, please consider joining our pro investor membership. Every single month you'll get an opportunity to view stocks which are from different sectors. Okay, if it's about different sectors, you will also increase your knowledge, and I'm sure this will be worth an investment in knowledge. The pro investor membership is just for 399 rupees, and even if you just opt in for just 1 month, that should also be fine. You'll get a look and feel of how these memberships work, right? Oh, this is nothing. Kalyan Jewelers, like 69% are saying no, 68% are saying no. Makes no sense. Okay, let me check, because Geo Finance is also 35% out. Let me see for Geo Finance whether it is there in your portfolio or not. So today we are having some fun here. I'm getting to see how many people are. And it's down by 35%. So makes sense making a video on what's up with this stock. So if I get more than 60%, more than 65%, definitely is uh, worth doing a video on that, right? Uh, Let me see. We have almost 1,850 people live through YouTube only. This is not even about LinkedIn. I'm sure a lot of people are watching me on LinkedIn, Insta. Uh, Anyone who is watching me on Insta or on LinkedIn, again, worth to watch it through YouTube, because this is where you can even interact with me via polls. I think I should end the poll. Uh, Gotten more than 600 votes right now out of 1,800 people who are watching. Geo Finance is 58%. I think I should be doing a video on this, right? Um, Next one. Uh, 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 uh. I know there are a lot of people who are hoping for Geo Finance. Uh, okay, let me check this. Tata Motors. Tata Motors is also down 36%. Let me initiate a poll for Tata Motors. I'm just asking this, if it's there in your portfolio or not. Again, see, if more members of our channel have this So like Geo Finance was like almost 59% people said yes, makes sense making a video. And of course, those who are my channel members, those who are my regular viewers, everyone knows that this is not even close to a stock recommendation that we are doing. I'm trying my level best to give you some study of mine, some thought process of mine, some analysis of mine, that if the stock is down, then why is it down? Okay. Jai has a question till then. What if it's down by 30%? Just post listing, no previous high to compare. Still, Jai, I would say if it's like 30%, it should not be a big problem. Okay. No need to worry a lot. Okay. Lokesh is asking, ma'am, what about your favorite stock, Jubilant Foodworks? Okay, I will check how much down is it. No worries. You remember my favorite store? I mean, it used to be my most favorite at one point in time, but still, it's one of my favorites. No second thoughts on that. Okay, so I think let me close the poll. Wow, 800 plus votes. I'm loving it. There are so many people who are really enthusiastic today. Huh? क्या बात है? Look at the poll for Tata Motors. Tata Motors, 65% people are saying yes. I think even before Geo, Tata Motors does get a chance. Okay. Which one should I ask next? RIL, seriously. I mean, RIL is down by just 21%. See, I'm just trying to give you comfort. Okay. 21% is nothing. So I don't think that's even a big deal. HAL is down 30%. So let me ask for HAL maybe. I'm not sure how many people would be having HAL. Let me just check still. HAL question mark. Yes or no? Start a poll. I've started a poll. Oh. Let me see how many people have HAL in their portfolio. Of course, as usual, if it is not around 60%, will not do this. Others, maybe just try and help me in the chat. I'll get to know more. Okay, Chitra is saying that I didn't vote, but I have Geo. Okay, fair enough. Oh, you're saying Ireda is down by how much? Oh, Ireda is also down by 37%. Okay. I think next poll I should take for is HL. 61% people are saying no, they don't have it in their portfolio. So HL is out of the race. What about Ireda? I just need one more stock, people. Because I'm going to take three stock names. Finalized on Tata Motors, Geo Finance. Want to check for Ireda. See, PFC, REC, don't even worry about that. Nah, it's down by how much? PFC is 27% down. REC is 29% down. Don't even worry about it. Zomato I already covered, right? In my previous live stream, I've already done on Zomato. So repeating that won't make sense, I guess. Gotten 650 plus votes. This is going to be a clear no. I'll end the poll. Okay. Kai humor. Can you suggest? Cochin Shipyard in poll. Okay, I'll try. I don't think a lot of people will have Cochin Shipyard, but still I will try. Cochin Shipyard. Kya baat hai? Today I should declare this stream to be a poll stream. People are loving giving answers. It's fun. Oh, I should take Suzlon maybe. So many people are also writing Suzlon. And it's down by how much? Oh, Suzlon is down 37%. Okay, next one I'm going to ask is Suzlon. All right. Chalo, oh God, this is a clear loser. Cochin Shipyard, 700 plus votes, and 70% people are saying no. Okay, let me check next one. Just last 2 or 3, and then I'm going to stop. Okay, Suzlon. Let me see if I get this or not. Okay, I started the poll for Suzlon. You are the ones who are going to decide whether I'm going to make a video on this or not. If I get more than 60% people saying that yes, I have it in my portfolio, makes sense doing a video on it, otherwise does not. Darshan is saying enjoyed a lot today, full entertainment. Today we are getting to know which stock is the most owned by our members. So see, percentage wise, it may not be a lot in your portfolio. That is also possible, but it is there in your portfolio. ये हो सकता है. Tough. Okay, I'm ending the poll, but 43, 42, and 57. So Suzlon is like maybe yes, maybe. 42% are saying yes for Suzlon. काय विचारायचं मग? Dixon though is not down only that much, na? So Dixon के लिए why should you be worrying? So Tata Tech, is it only one person who is constantly bombarding Tata Tech, or are there multiple people saying Tata Tech? I'm not sure. No, Gowda is saying Tata Tech. Is just okay. No, I can see few more people. I don't think it's going to. Chalo, let me ask Tata Tech. Chalo, I started the poll. I need one more people. I need one more. Start for Tata Tech. Fatafat. 600 people already voted. Almost close to 700 now. Almost close to 800 now. And I should be ending this poll. Reason is very simple. 67% people don't have this. Varun Beverages is down by how much? Let me check. Varun Beverages is down by only 20%. People will not be even worried about this. People, you're not telling me. Trent. Asian Paints. Okay. This could be one. Maybe. Let us check. Asian Paints. Last one or two. Mila to Mila. Otherwise, I'm going to do only on Geo Finance, Tata Motors. Asian Paints is a tussle. 520 votes still now. Close to, no, it's going to lose. Close to 785. But this is going at least closer to Suzlon, which was 42%. I'm going to end the poll. But it's 40-60. 38-61. Okay. Angel One. Angel One is it down so much? Angel One. From the all-time high, it is down. Oh yes, 37% down. As I said, last one or two, आता कंटाळायला लागला मला की किती विचारायचं. Angel One, चलो. Start poll. But this is fun. I mean, even I am trying to guess which might be that stock. And this is such a nice feeling that whatever my members are telling me, based on that, I'm able to do a video. Fulfilling feeling. This is going to be a clear loser. 800 plus votes. It's a 70-30 and 70 for no. Bas, bas, bas. I'm done. But yes, I mean, this was fun. I got to know about two stocks for sure, which I'm going to do a video on. One will be Geo Finance, one will be Tata Motors. Guys, did you like the exercise that I did today? Because I don't think you liked it. Reason is very simple. 2,000 people watching live on YouTube and only 438 likes. Hmm? I'm happy you're doing super say upar in the comment section, but that super say upar can be translated also in number of likes. You can just smash the like button. People, 2,000 people watching and only 451 likes. That असं नाही करायचं. Doesn't make sense, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm also going to quickly pull up the Nifty chart for you. So last like 6 minutes. Oh, we are almost at 10. But I think today was real fun. I mean, got to interact with you all in a different way. Today mind is relaxed. Oh, kya baat hai. Prasanna says mind is relaxed. Darshan is saying already liked. 722 likes. एवढं बोलल्यावर तरी 722. Ranjit ji saying, Madam, you are now Amitabh Bachchan, over and beyond likes. Even I am beyond likes, but YouTube is not beyond likes, na. YouTube doesn't understand whether we are liking it or not. It can't read our mind. It just reads the number of likes. And if it sees that more people are liking this, then they recommend this to other people. So ideally, you should smash the like button so that people get to know about it. Acha, I'm going to share my screen for showing Nifty, but would definitely love to share this with everyone. Wow, Mumbai event for Hargar Investor was crazy. I just loved it. So many people actually met me, gave their feedback. Everyone loved it. Pooja, if you can just share the link of our reel which I have posted. For those who are following me on Instagram, you might have gotten the notification. But those who don't follow me on Insta right now, I'm sure you'll enjoy the reel on me doing that video on Arthik Samaj jab hogi behtar tab banega Hargar Investor. It was such an amazing feeling, and so many people met me. The youngest boy who came in to view the session was a 12-year-old boy, and the oldest one was 72 or 74. So amazing. I mean, such energy. Oh, Dr. Meenal says, I was in Mumbai seminar. It was fantastic. Ew, kya baat hai? Nice, so nice. Thank you. So this is the reel ka link. Don't forget to check that. Sampath says, you made me feel like I could achieve anything. Kya baat hai? Thank you. Mandar is also saying I was there. Kya baat hai? Very nice. Gift Nifty is basically like Nifty only, but it is, so earlier there was SGX Nifty, and now SGX Nifty is replaced by Gift Nifty. Why is that so? Because it is now there in the Gift City. It trades in Gift City, and mainly it helps us to understand the nerve of Nifty before it opens. Okay, but I can take that as a good suggestion. I don't think I've made a video on this. It could be a very good video suggestion, a theoretical video. But what is Gift Nifty? इसके ऊपर एक वीडियो जरूर बन सकता है. So, in simple words, I'll tell you, foreign investors or foreign individuals who are not allowed to trade directly in F&O in our space, so they can trade through Gift Nifty. Okay, so that is just one simple point. But I would definitely make it a point to make a separate video there. Oh, Dips is also saying, you were there. Did you meet me? It was amazing, ma'am. Was fortunate to meet you in person. Was blown away by your energy. Thank you. मी पण होतो त्या सेमिनारला फ्रॉम सुरत. क्या बात है. Rachana is saying, yes. Attended Mumbai seminar. क्या बात है. So many people. Wow. I was with my CA daughter. Oh, I remember. Absolutely. Nice. Sachin, you were also there. Proud feeling shaking hands with you on Sunday. Dips, I don't know your name even today, and you have been our channel follower since so long. Send me. I'm sure if you have shaken hands with me, we have a picture together. So send me our picture, Dips, with on this office number 90221966678. Because I know you by your DP and your name, but I don't remember you by your face. So send me a picture on this number. Chandra is also saying he was there. Kya baat hai? Fantastic. Chalo, so let's get back quickly to Nifty levels. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, Nifty, here we go. Not much to talk about, to be honest, because we just recently did a stream on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. Nifty is down currently by 11.5%. I'm going to take you to the daily chart as well. Uh, okay, this is where we are right now. This definitely that we have been talking about is a support. Let me just do an Alt J instead. So 23,200 is one support. But typically, basics of technical analysis. What do we know about basics of technical analysis? If it was a support earlier, now it should act as a resistance. You can see here, it took a support, went up. This was a gap down. Okay, from this, it was a gap down. Intraday tried to close above this, failed. Next day, same level, back, niche. Next day, same. Did a gap up, tried to close high, but eventually closed low, but at least about 23,200. Immediate next day below that, closer below that. Next day, again tried to close above, immediate next day, a big red candle. Then a hammer still below 23,200. And even today, if you see, today's all-time high is, today's all-time high commented. Today's high is 23,205. Okay. So now ideally 23,200 should act as a resistance. Let's also check NSE option chain data and see if 23,200 looks like a visible resistance there also or not. Let us quickly check that for Nifty 23rd Jan expiry. तो आज का ही data रहेगा. Let us check for 30th. Oh, sorry, why am I checking on the calendar? 30th. Yes, 23,200 is the highest open interest here. So clearly visible resistance here. But 23,200 is also the high, not the highest open interest, but second highest, I should say, because this is the highest open interest that we can see, 23,000. So there's a possibility that it remains in a tighter range of 23,000 and 23,200 maybe. So will be interesting to watch how does it go. That is the level of Nifty in which we are playing right now. So one more time, if you want to write it down, two levels, 23,200, which should ideally act as a resistance right now. And the second one, which I mentioned, is about at a lower end, quite possible that it could be around 23,000. Okay, so I hope both the levels are clear. 23,200 as a resistance, 23,000 something on a downward side. So be careful. Budget is around the corner, and typically markets tend to be volatile around the budget. So don't trade aggressively. Thoda shanti se lo, aram se lo. Okay, so please, don't be in a absolute. There are some people who want to become rich just by trading on a single day. Don't do that. Aram se. Okay, so that's how you should approach it. Right. Before it's 10:01, but before I stop for the day, one quick shout out to our Republic Day offer. Anyone who wants to enroll for a single course, we have a coupon code which I've used is India. And anyone who wants to enroll for any of the combination packages, the coupon code is Tiranga. Offer is valid up to 26th of Jan. So anyone who wants to enroll, there could be a lot of people who might have enrolled for basics. So if you have already joined any basic course, I would highly recommend you should go ahead with fundamental technical analysis course. These three courses are a must. No second thoughts on that. Basics of stock market, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. And very important is that right time to study is now, because this is where Nifty is going a shade downward, going a shade sideways. This is where you should upskill yourself so that देखो कभी ना कभी तो market ऊपर जाएगा. At that time, you should not say, "Arey, but I don't know how to choose stocks. I don't know how to decide on when to buy, when to sell." Okay, so this is the right time to invest your time in knowledge. So again, 3 courses highly recommended: basics of stock market, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Those who love technical analysis, super duper highly recommended is the advanced course on technical analysis, which is price action analysis. And I'm sure anyone who would do that course would gain a lot of insights. So anyone who loves doing more and more of technical analysis, highly recommended course on price action, decoding price action analysis. Okay. Plus, as I mentioned, Sagar says, "Aapka, you had mentioned this, इंसान हो या stock market, आखिर जाना ऊपर ही है." So definitely, if you were to confidently hold on to your fundamentally strong stocks, would highly recommend you all to check out our courses. Pooja has pasted the link, but you will also check. Please check out the link in the description box and pinned comment below the moment I end the stream. So as I mentioned, India code and Tiranga code can be used. The offer ends on the 26th, right? Today's stream was fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. I'm definitely going to make a video on 2 stocks which I got. One is Geo Finance. The second one is Tata Motors. Uh, One page biology is asking, any event for pro investors specially, ma'am? Right now, we are doing this live sessions under Hargar Tiranga only. Let's see if I find something, we'll definitely. I mean, if I think about something, we'll surely come up for pro investor members as well, right? All right, I'll see you in the next Thursday live stream. And till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye bye. Tata Motors first. Okay, yes.